In this video, I'll show you how to upload a UGC item to Roblox Marketplace, starting from Blender and ending in Roblox. After we finish making our mesh in Blender, in my case, I'm uploading hair. The first thing we need to check is if the normals are facing the right way. So to do that, we're going to go to Viewport Overlays and turn on face orientations. If your mesh is colored blue, that means everything is good and we are ready to export our mesh. Now go to File, Export and export it as FBX. Make sure selected object is checked and set the scale to 0.01. Then click Export. Next, open Roblox Studio, create a new base plate. Now we're going to add a rig. Go to Character, select R15 and choose the block avatar. Move it so it's touching the floor. Now let's add the mesh we made in Blender. We're gonna do that by right-clicking on the workspace, type mesh part and add it on. Then we'll go to Property Panels and under Mesh ID, upload your FBX file. You'll get warning, just click no, that's totally fine. So my mesh already has a texture, but if yours doesn't, here's what to do. Go to Roblox Creator Hub, then under Creations, go to Development Items, and under Decals, you're gonna upload your texture. Then, back in the Roblox Studio on the left side, under Decals, find your texture, right-click on it, and copy Asset ID, and paste that into Texture ID field of your mesh. Now you can start positioning your mesh. I'm placing mine on the head, but just position yours wherever it belongs. Once that's done, open Asset Creator plugin. I'll link it in the description below. Select Accessory. Then select your UGC item and then rig. Choose the category for your item. For me it's hair. Select classic and next. Your UGC item will appear about 10 studs above the rig. Now we need to make a thumbnail. I'll quickly do that using a plugin called Thumbnail Maker. After that, just go to the Explorer, right-click on your created UGC item and choose Save to Roblox. Enter your title and description. Select Avatar item and under Asset category choose the same category you selected earlier. For creator, pick the profile you want to upload this item on. Then click Submit. The submission will cost you 750 Robux. After that, you'll go to Creator Hub under Creation and Avatar Items. Once your item finishes loading, click on it and fill the name and description. Tags are not longer required, so you can leave them empty. Now the publishing price depends on what type of item you're publishing. I'll show you the cost on the screen. Once everything looks good, just click publish and that's it. You've successfully published your first UGC item.